Hello Hula students, this video is meant to give you an overview of our new unit that we will be working on from May 14th to May 29th this year, Persuasive Techniques in Advertising. So from our remote learning homepage, I'm going to go ahead and click on our unit, Persuasive Techniques in Ads. And then I'm going to give you an overview of how you can use this unit webpage to complete your weekly assignments. So first we have our goals for this unit, the learning targets and essential questions. I'm not going to go through all of these, but I would like to read through the essential questions. So hopefully within this unit we will answer, how can I identify and evaluate an advertisement's use of persuasive techniques in order to make an educated decision about the credibility and reliability of a product or cause? How can language and specific word choice be used to imply and persuade? How can I use persuasive strategies to convince others of my point of view? How can I use technology to clearly and effectively organize my ideas, publish my work, and create a product that people want to read or watch? And then our learning targets down here if you'd like to read those more carefully on your own. Our unit IXL lessons. We have 2 IXL lessons that we want to reach 80% or higher and turn into Canvas before the end of this unit. The first one is going to be your first time seeing that IXL lesson. The second one, however, positive and negative connotation, we've already worked on this IXL lesson earlier in the year. And so if you have already achieved 80% or higher for this lesson, I recommend you do a couple more questions just to remind yourself about what positive and negative connotation is, and then you can go ahead and turn that in for basically double credit. So our first week is actually just the Thursday and Friday. So I'm going to click on our drop-down menu, and here's how your weekly assignments are organized. At the very top of each week is going to be an overview of your weekly completion goals. This is going to suggest which days you should do which assignments. For this unit, all of our assignments, except for the very last final project, are going to be completed in this packet within the GoodNotes app. So the very first thing you'll end up doing is downloading this packet into GoodNotes. If you're not sure how, there's tutorial videos available on this website, and you're going to turn this packet in when assignments 1 through 6 in the packet are complete. So here we have our overall completion goals, but then you can see there's a more specific breakdown telling you exactly what to do that week. You'll notice there's also specific resources at the bottom here. These resources are embedded into the packet that you will be working on in GoodNotes, but we know technology often fails, and so these are just some additional ways that you can access those resources. So if the video link isn't working in your GoodNotes packet, you just know that you can go and find that video on this website. Our second week, May 18th through 22, you can see it's organized the same way. It's going to give you your overall work completion goals. So for this next week, warm up your brain each day, 5 to 10 minutes of the IXL lesson listed here. You're going to work on assignments 3 through 6, 1 assignment per day, Monday through Thursday. And then Friday, the idea is that you continue working on assignment number 6 because it's a little bit longer of an assignment. More specific directions are right here for you. And then again, if the resource for assignment number 3 isn't working in your GoodNotes packet, you can also access it right here. And our very last week, same idea, you have your work completion goals, so it suggests which day you should be working on which assignments so you don't fall behind. And then there's more step-by-step directions here, including exactly where to turn your work in as you finish it, since this is the last week of the unit. And then you have your resources for assignment number 7 down here as needed if it's not working in your GoodNotes packet. If you have any questions after watching this video, please be sure to email me or drop by one of our Zoom meetings so that I can help you out. I really hope you enjoy learning about persuasive techniques in advertising.